Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are unboxing Daiso supplies which I bought from Daiso. I love Daiso. Daiso is one of my favorite stores, so I bought some stuff from there. I went to the store and got some things. So let's get unboxing. I'm like so excited. Let's get started. So this is like a medicine case. I bought this medicine case. Wait, I'll show you. This is a medicine case from Daiso, and I put my things in here, and it is really small now. It's like all full, and I have like still so much stuff I need to put. So I went to Daiso and I bought this. It is larger. This plastic bag away from babies and children. Do not use this bag in cribs, beds, carriers, or playpens. This bag is not a toy. Okay, so immediately throw in the bag. Let's open this up. I really like what they said about this because it's not good for us. Oh yeah, it's a pretty good bag. It opens up and yes, the shelves are adjustable. So this is a pretty good case, and I'm gonna make a video on organizing my things. So yeah, pretty good. Moving on to the next one, I got these clear drawers. All the drawers come out at the same time due to the sticker. Okay, it's your drawer, okay? The drawers are pretty smooth, and I can store most of my items in here, like scissors and stuff like that. So I really liked it, and the sticker easily removed, and there is no residue. Moving on to the next one. I've been waiting for this one for like ever. A paper cutter. My cutting is not neat, so I needed a paper cutter, and I was like, as I when I found it, it was like so cool. It was a baby blue color. She's like so good. So look at it closely. So I'm not a good person at removing this type of packaging. Oh yes, I did it this time. Yahoo! Yes. Let's take this out. Yep. So this is the paper cutter, and it has this little foam backing so it doesn't slide. And here is the blade, so be really careful. It has some measurements here, so you can easily cut the paper. And let's test it out. On the scrap piece of paper lying around, so I think it will work just for testing. I put it how I wanted to cut it, and it was really smooth, guys. Look at the clean cut. Okay, I want to see if I can cut it right about there. This is the size of one paper I want, so I lay it down and I want to see if it nicely cuts it. Perfect, guys. I think we're gonna have lots of fun craft videos. This is so satisfying to do. Look at it. Like, I'll let you hear it. Wasn't that like so ASMR? Okay, I'm never gonna stop like this. So I need crafts. By the way, there is a ruler at the bottom which pops out for more measurements, which is really cool. So I hope you like this one. Let's continue on. Moving on to the last one, miniature food. This is a pack of mini erasers. I didn't buy this from Daiso. I bought like buying like fancy erasers for dolls. I failed this time. This cool thing. Yeah. So here we have this really cool sundae with like oranges, and I think it's puzzle, but I'm not gonna remove it because it's gonna get loose and then it's gonna like run all around the house. This is an ice cream, which looks really cool with strawberry dipping. Hot dog, like the hot dog attracted me, seriously. Look at the lettuce. Like, I like the lettuce, like the lettuce is my favorite to me. The sauce is so cool, like everything. The bun is just too cute. Like I like the patty, I like the lettuce, and it's so soft. You can use these as erasers, but I'm not. These are kind of like I bought these for food. I bought this once more, something similar to this, but I also bought veggies and dessert. Dessert had ice cream and cakes, and veggies had like carrots and so cool. But the only problem was that I would use them as puzzles, and it like got lost. So I don't recommend you to use these as puzzles because they'll get loose and run away. So it was a pretty cool, fun video. Like, I always wanted that paper cutter. I totally need something for organizing. My dolls wanted food, and I got them something. I needed an acrylic tape since I didn't find it. I think the store was not that bad. And we also got the store. Yeah. Never mind, I totally forgot about it. Now I think these can stay in. Oops. Yeah, that works. You can kind of now see the drawer. It looks like they're on top. So guys, I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye!